Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. Wow, Aspirant Mom. So we are into the last video of this year, and I won't say last celebration video of this year. Yes, this was on Christmas Day, and that's our Santa coming, and that was really, a joyful day we all had in our school, and that's how it went on.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the village go, laughing on the way. The bells are posted.
And here comes the cake. We had a cake cutting in our class, and I was really shocked because I didn't even expect this from my class children, and there was a surprise actually. And that's our board, Merry Christmas, written on it, and some of the boys and girls sang some of the Christmas carols or Christmas songs on that day. So yeah, I've captured.
శ్రీయేసు పుట్టాడని మహారాజు పుట్టాడని
And finally got a chance to cut the cake along with the children's. And yeah, that was really, I don't know, I really feel good when I am with kids. So yeah, that's how we all together cut the cake, and I can see the joy and happiness even in their faces. So yeah. And here we are celebrating along with the whole school, like the teachers, the class wise students. Also, did you notice our Christmas tree? How creative these children are, like really. I should appreciate, this is the sense of, a learning that we are giving to children, or we have to inculcate in our daily life that whatever we have to be happy with that, no matter we are living a rich life or below the poverty line life. It doesn't matter. The really matter is you're happy with whatever you have or not.
And what is this?
And we ended our Christmas celebration day with this package of pizza. Like, this was like a gift from Santa Claus, I would say. Yeah, that's something my son really liked it, though he doesn't know how to eat, but yeah, but he really likes to have pizza. He was so excited. It was really an astonishing experience for me because I didn't even expect respond in such a way. But yeah, that's all for the video. I hope this year and the coming year would be cherishful for everyone. And yeah, if you are new here, then go and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Wow, Aspirant Mom.